In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily normalise your project's audio events. If you're not familiar with the term normalise, Wikipedia describes it as the application of a constant amount of gain to an audio recording to bring the amplitude to a target level. Vegas Pro and Movie Studio Platinum provide a means of normalising your audio with an option on an audio event context menu. However, by default, this normalises your audio to a peak of about 0 decibels. This value is the maximum gain allowable without clipping the audio. Now, this default condition may be okay for most users, but if you're like me, you don't necessarily want the audio to be at maximum gain. I recently discovered a way to quickly and easily normalise audio events on my timeline to a decibel value that suited me. Let me explain why I need to do this. When I place the clips from my Sony camcorder onto the timeline, the resulting audio is way too loud. I normally like the output master bus volume to peak at around -12 dB for all my projects. This way they all play with the same volume range. In the past, I've had to painstakingly go through my project, one audio event at a time, watching the master bus volume level and adjusting the event's volume to keep the loudest part under -12 dB. As tedious as it was, I had thought that this task was inevitable if I wanted the audio volume to be consistent with all my other projects. After many moons of doing it this way, I thought there must be an easier and therefore quicker way. There is, and I'll show you how in this short video. Welcome to my 36th tutorial. In this demo project, I have a fairly long audio event. As you can see from the waveform, the volume level varies widely. While playing the audio, I'll adjust the event's audio volume up or down with the track header volume control. When I reach a maximum volume level that's suitable, I make a note of that decibel value. In my case, the preferred level is -12 decibels. I then go to the Options, Preferences and select the Audio tab. As I mentioned in the introduction, the default maximum allowable gain is 0 dB. As I prefer the maximum to be -12 dB, I need to enter into the Normalise peak level box, -12, and click Apply. Now, to normalise an audio event to my preferred value, I simply select the event, then right-click on it, go to the Switches option and check the Normalise option. Now, as you can see, because I've reduced the volume on the event, the volume level is way below -12 decibels. So I'll just pull that up to maximum. and we should now see that the maximum is 12, about 12. Now, to show how quickly this normalization can be applied to a number of events, I simply select all the events that the normalization is to be applied to, right-click one of the events and apply the Normalise option as I described earlier. If you decide that there are one or more events that shouldn't for some reason be normalized, simply take the check mark out for those events. This method has saved me a great deal of time since I discovered it. I hope it will for you too. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next tutorial, bye for now.